These facts sound totally fake, but they're 100% real. Did you know baby carrots aren't actually baby carrots? They're just cut up big ones. There's more real estate under the ocean than on land. Mermaid millionaires confirmed. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect vibrations through the ground because of the soft padding under their feet. Hitting snooze actually makes you feel more tired. But we still do it. I probably hit mine 6 times today. Did you know parrots name their babies? My parrot, Polly, has been asking for his birth certificate. Which fact completely blew your mind? Comment below and subscribe for more.